It's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm about to attempt my first wash and go. So if you want to see how it turns out, if it's a fail or not, spoiler alert, it's an epic fail. Then just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss an upload from me. And yeah, let's just get started. So my hair is freshly co-washed and I use the Organics Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner. This is my favorite conditioner ever. My hair is still dripping wet and I got a spray bottle here just in case it starts to dry out. So first up, I'm gonna use this African Pride Moisture Miracle leave-in cream. I love this stuff. It's so moisturizing and it's only $5. I'm guessing the best way to do this is in sections. Okay, so now that my hair is sectioned off, I'm just gonna go in with this leave-in cream and I'm gonna take a generous amount because I don't know what I'm doing and that just sounds like a good idea. It wasn't. So just gonna rake that in and finger detangle as I go. And next, I have the Wetline Xtreme Gel that everybody's been raving about for a little minute now on YouTube. I don't even know how much of this I'm supposed to use. I guess I'm gonna use like the same amount as the leave-in cream. I don't know. I'm gonna be so upset if this doesn't turn out. Whew, the foreshadowing. Cause baby, you about to be pissed and looking a mess in just a few minutes. It's kind of clumping together. Maybe I should use a little bit more. Clumping where, sis? Why are you lying to yourself? Why? Just throw some more water on it. That always helps. I just don't understand why my curls aren't doing anything. Is it because I don't know what I'm doing? Is it my hair? I don't know. Man, this doesn't look like anything. Like, it looks like nothing. Like I'm just throwing stuff on my hair. What in the world? YouTube has deceived me again into thinking this mess was gonna be easy. I should just stuck to flexi rods because they never gonna fail me. Ever. Because this mess right here, I don't know what I'm doing. I do not know. Okay, so I've decided I'm gonna switch over to the African Pride curling cream from that same Moisture Miracle line. Not really sure if it's gonna make a difference, but at this point, I'm almost 99.9% sure that this is gonna be a fail. So I might as well see what the difference would be, because this mess here, or maybe I'm the mess. I don't know. This just is not popping. If you're new to my channel, you probably didn't know that I am newly natural. I transitioned over about a 2-year period, so I still do have some relaxed ends here and there that I clip off as I see fit. Every time I think I've gotten rid of them all, I find more, so that's that on that. So if you see these little straight ends, that's what's going on there. Okay, so I'm still determined to make this work.
How?
So these little pieces in the front that just look like they're not doing anything.
Little pieces? Girl, your whole head.
I'm going to spray them with some more water and go through with my Denman brush to see if that'll help. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, so my hair is about 50% dry, but I don't even care enough to wait for it to dry and do makeup and have a nice little outro going, because this is just not a look. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's just not really defined and kind of got some frizz going on, but yeah. Let me know in the comments down below what I did wrong, how I can improve next time, what products y'all use, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. I'm off to the beauty supply store to fix this mess.